Good.
Hi, this is Mihir Kikani, and I am doing a project of USB communication, like USB serial communication between this hardware. This is my microcontroller hardware with the LCD and the keypad, and I'm communicating this hardware with this my laptop with the help of this USB cable. And here it goes. Like, we are going to transfer like bi-directional communication, like when I'm pressing these buttons on my keypad, it will transfer the data from the controller to the laptop, and when I am typing anything on my laptop, that's going to transfer the data from my laptop to the LCD with the use of this USB cable. So here you can see that here is we are going to connect this LCD with the power supply. So here it is, and it will show, it will you can see the welcome screen on the LCD. So somehow it is not showing us the welcome screen, so I don't know what's wrong with the device, but it's usually shows the welcome screen when you connect the LCD with the power supply. It will show you the welcome. That's let me okay, so now you can see that there is a welcome that is written on the screen, LCD screen. So I just did it because with this welcome we can uh, test whether the LCD is going good or there's something wrong with the LCD. So that's just the welcome screen. Now here is when we are going to run the. First of all, we have to detect the which COM port it is using. So we will go to the my computer, and we will go to the device manager. It's right here. So when we go to the device manager, and it will it will shows the ports that says the COM and LPT. So this project basically works on the like virtual COM port. So when you elaborate these ports, it will say the Profilic USB to serial COM port, that's COM 14. So this hardware is basically connected to virtual COM port number 14. So uh, we just need to run the exe file of the project. So that's a USB LCD, that's a exe file. So when you go to the exe file, it will ask you the which COM port is should we use. So the COM port, we will use the COM port 14, and that's the details, like that's a baud rate, that's 19,200 data bits, that 8 parity, that is even, the stop bit, that's 1, and flow control, that is none. So when we press OK on the like the device, it will show you the screen. There is a screen, it will show you the whole dialog box, and it will show you the bar. It says click to send, and here is like the ball I made, that little GUI. And when we type anything in the bar, like here I am typing my professor's name, that she is Dr. Jing Peng, and under whom I am doing my project. So and when I press the click to send button on my laptop, and we can see that it will show the same text what I wrote on the laptop on the LCD. So we can see that the Dr. Jingpeng that is written on the LCD. And again we will type something else, like we will put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and so we can check all the numbers. That's so here we can see that, and it stores that the PIC microcontroller on the board. That's a PIC microcontroller, that's a PIC 18F4520. It's having a inbuilt EEPROM that stores the data. So it will store the data whatever written on the laptop until you are typing something else, so it will just store. And we can type anything, like if we type the special characters on the laptop, that's a special character. You can see that on the screen. I did the special characters, all the symbols, and when I press click to send button, and it will show the special character on the LCD. And here is I designed the keypad. With the use of this keypad, whenever I press any of these keys, it will transfer the data to the laptop with the use of this microcontroller and the USB cable. So, and on the laptop you can see there is a ball. It's like a tennis ball, and this keypad will control the movement of this tennis ball. So here I am pressing the key, and you can see the movement of the ball. It will be moving left, it will be moving left and right, and anything. So the whole concepts, we can see that we did the bidirectional communications from the USB device to the laptop, and from the laptop to the USB device. So that's a whole bidirectional communication. And there is a code that we wrote on the Visual Basic, and that's a screen of the Visual Basic, that what I did the coding, and the microcontroller code that is written in the assembly language. So here I am showing the code of the assembly language. You can see that on the laptop screen. That's a assembly language code that is written on the that is I load that assembly language code into the microcontroller 18F4520. So that's it. I did this project. I'm doing my masters in the CSUS, and I did my project under the guidance of Dr. Jing Pang, and she did me very wonderful guidance, and with the help of her guidance and my knowledge of controller and USB, I successfully completed this project, and I hope Dr. Pang will like it. Thank you so much.